How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another videos. On today's video, I'm going to show you the 7 affordable interior mods you can do to your BMW. So if you're planning to do interior mods on your car, I think the 7 affordable interior mods is the best thing you can do, in my opinion. So the number 1 is the red start stop push button. So the red start stop push button is the first thing that you touch when you want to start your car. Also, it gives that race car look on your dash. It breaks out the black, the black, plain black look on the dash. I think it gives it a bit of spice when you see a red start stop push button on your black dash. So this costs about $10. So the number 2 is the red M1 and M2 buttons that you can install on your steering wheel. I don't have any M1 or M2 functions on my steering wheel, so I just did this for a purely aesthetic reason. I think it looks good on the steering wheel. It gives it a bit of spice also on the steering wheel instead of just black steering wheel, So this one costs about $25. So for the number 3 is the M Performance pedals. So my car comes with the rubber pedals, but in my opinion, if the BMW has an M badge on it, I think an upgraded M Performance pedals is a nice addition to the pedals. So this one costs about $30. So the number 4 is the carbon fiber brake handle. So when you want to engage your parking brake when you park your car, the feeling of the real carbon instead of the leather, I think it's a good upgrade. So this one costs about $50. So the number 5 is the carbon fiber shifter overlay. So I put this carbon fiber shifter overlay to reduce the silver in my interior. I think it's a nice combination with the shifter and the brake handle to be both of them into carbon fiber. So this one costs about $75. So the number 6 is the carbon fiber steering wheel overlay. So this carbon fiber steering wheel overlay, I think it's a great match for the shifter and also for the brake handle. Plus, because you're touching the steering wheel all the time when you drive, having a nice carbon fiber in front of you while you're driving, I think it's a nice upgrade. This costs about $80. So the number 7 is the M-style paddle shifters. So the M-style paddle shifter is a nice addition to the steering wheel, combination with the M1 and M2 buttons, also with the carbon fiber overlay on the steering wheels. I think it's a nice combination altogether. So it's a nice thing to look at when you're driving and also to feel when you do the shifting. So this one costs about $85. All this interior mods is a great interior mods in my opinion, because when you drive your car, this is what you feel and this is what you see. So I think it doesn't only gives you a nice mods for your car, but also a good feeling when you drive your car, because you're feeling that you're not driving just a regular BMW. So I think it's a good upgrade to the interior. And also I have all these DIY videos. Check out the links in the description below, where I will put all the links for all these mods, my DIY mods to install all these mods for your interior. So if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like. Also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.